Hey everyone! So I thought I would film this just on my phone quickly. Um, so a little update, I guess. There might not be as many videos going up at the moment because some things are going on in my life which are kind of taking priority at the moment. I'm doing okay. It's just, there's been some things going on that have been kind of tough lately, and I don't have a lot of time or really the capacity mentally to be filming a lot of things at the moment. I would love to, it's just not something I can really put enough time into to create something that I'd be happy with. But I wanted to come on here and say hi and just let you all know that I'm doing okay. I'm doing all right. And yeah, it shouldn't be forever. I've still got some ideas of things that I want to film, and as soon as I'm able to do so, I will definitely start filming those again. But I still wanted to say hello and just give you all an update, I guess. Seeing how this goes, no editing, whatever, I'm just gonna chuck it up and fingers crossed it works. I've never really used my phone to film a proper video before, so hopefully it works okay. I'm sure it'll be fine. It's more I wanted to just come and say hi and have a quick chat and catch up, I guess. So apart from that, it's coming into winter here now. It's getting really cold, but it's still gonna get colder, which is fine. I don't mind the cold weather. I kind of like being able to rug up a little bit. But yeah, there's just a lot is going on in my life, and also mentally too, that I'm going through some things, and I need to, I guess, prioritize different things to do, just to make sure I don't burn out more. But I'm doing all right. I know everybody goes through tough times. It's normal. It happens. But it's not forever. It's, something that I'll work through and it'll be okay. It's just at the moment, it's not necessarily great, but it's okay. And, every day I'll work on that and, get a little bit better. But, it's trying to look at it positively as much as you can, because it's not a forever thing. It's just a temporary feeling, and it's a temporary situation, I guess. But it still doesn't make it any easier when it's happening. But just know, if you're ever going through periods like this where, you're not feeling great, there's things happening, stress, anxiety, all of that stuff, it's not forever, and you can get through it. And I'm just really lucky to have a really great family around me to help me through it. But yeah, anyway, I'm fine. I do really miss you all, and I miss filming just fun stuff. Maybe I might try to film some really short type videos just to kind of get back into it, but for now this is kind of all I could manage, and I hope you understand. I'm sure you all will, because you're all fantastic and really supportive as well, and really kind. So that's my dogs. Anyway, I'm going to go now. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all having a fantastic morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever it may be, wherever you are. And I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.